Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already have your Money Network card and PIN. Now begin. Insert the card with the chip or stripe facing the indicated direction into the ATM slot. Once inserted, wait for the machine to read the card. Select English or your preferred language. When prompted, enter your 4-digit PIN using the keypad. Use a hand to shield entry. Make sure the machine displays account type options before proceeding to the next step. After choosing account type, select withdrawal to remove cash or balance to verify funds. You want to control costs, so check the fee screen. Once you see withdrawal options, enter the exact amount using the keypad. Confirm if a surcharge appears, press cancel to avoid fees. If the ATM asks to accept a fee, choose accept only if necessary. Once confirmed, wait while the machine processes. Count on a short delay while it verifies funds. When the machine dispenses cash, take it promptly and count it at the machine, then retrieve your card and receipt. If you need to complete another transaction, avoid re-entering your PIN immediately, wait a moment and reinsert the card. If the ATM fails to dispense cash but debits your account, do not leave. Note the ATM ID and timestamp, then contact Money Network support and the ATM owner to file a dispute. If the card is retained, report.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.